The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% solution is a popular skincare product from the Ordinary range. In this video, we explain how to properly use glycolic acid, including the do's and don'ts, and what to avoid mixing with the Ordinary Glycolic Acid toning solution. Firstly, the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution is a water-based toner that you leave on the skin, so you do not need to wash this product off. The toning solution contains Tasmanian pepperberry, aloe vera, and ginseng root to help soothe, hydrate, and balance the skin. Amino acids have also been added to this solution to help with barrier support and hydration. This toning solution also promotes exfoliation through the chemical exfoliant glycolic acid. What is glycolic acid and how does it work within the skin? Glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, otherwise known as an AHA. Alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, are water-soluble organic compounds that work at gently exfoliating the skin like a Pac-Man effect. The acid helps to remove old, dull cells on the skin's surface by dissolving the bonds that hold them together. You may be familiar with other alpha hydroxy acids like lactic acid and mandelic acid. Glycolic acid, however, is the smallest of the alpha hydroxy acids and it is of low molecular weight, which allows it to better penetrate the skin. Because it has a smaller molecular size, it can also cause dryness and skin irritation, so it is not recommended for dry and sensitive skin types. For those who have dry and sensitive skin types, you are best to try lactic acid as it is a milder, gentle exfoliating ingredient. Glycolic acid exfoliates the skin by dissolving the bonds that hold the dead skin cells to the skin surface. It also helps stimulate cell turnover and improves the skin texture. How to use the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. We recommend applying this toning solution 2 to 3 times per week in the evening. This toning solution would be both a toner and exfoliant in one. You would not need any other exfoliation method in your routine. It needs to be applied to dry skin after cleansing, but before moisturizing. Saturate a cotton pad and apply to your face, neck, and décolletage, but avoiding the eye area. Allow for the product to absorb before applying your moisturizer. It is normal for your skin to slightly tingle after application, however, your face should not turn red or burn. If this occurs, rinse off the product with a good cleanser and water to deactivate the acid. An example of a skincare routine with glycolic acid looks like cleansing, the glycolic acid toning solution, followed by moisturizer and eye cream. Each morning, you must wear broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30+ or SPF 50+. This is because a chemical exfoliation can leave the skin more prone to sensitivity under the sun. What to avoid mixing with the Ordinary Glycolic Acid serum. Conflicts of the Ordinary Glycolic Acid are retinol, other acids, niacinamide, vitamin C, and peptides. We recommend using the glycolic acid toning solution alone in your routine. Avoid using on broken skin as this may cause stinging. Always patch test a new product prior to using it directly on your skin. In our upcoming program, Skin Zone Academy, we teach you the science behind the skin and the exact active ingredients you need to tackle your skin concerns so you can achieve healthy, clear skin. Find out more about the Academy in the description. Now you know how to use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% solution. If you want to learn more about how to use the Ordinary skincare products, then check out our playlist here.